It's officially winter time or snow blizzard time. Time to make some vegetable soup.